Want a restaurant-style crispy, cheesy chicken dish in just minutes? Let's make chicken cordon bleu. 2 chicken breasts, pounded thin. 2 slices of ham. 2 slices of Swiss or mozzarella cheese. 1 cup flour. 2 beaten eggs. 1 cup breadcrumbs. Salt, pepper, and paprika for seasoning. 2 tablespoons butter and a little oil for frying. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, and paprika. Place a slice of ham and cheese inside each breast, then roll tightly and secure with toothpicks. Dredge in flour, dip in egg, then coat with breadcrumbs. Heat butter and oil in a pan and fry until golden brown on both sides. Transfer to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until fully cooked. Crispy on the outside, cheesy and juicy inside, that's your perfect chicken cordon bleu. Serve with mashed potatoes or salad for a complete meal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.